Felix Hart, a Nigerian living in Port Harcourt, and a mother of 5. Don't tell anybody. Welcome to my vibrant corner on YouTube, where I'll be sharing a mix of vlogs, lifestyle tips, delicious cooking and baking adventures, sewing, DIY project, fitness routine, and the secret to a clean and organized home. And also, tech will be coming in bit by bit. This channel is more than just videos. It's about connections, touching lives, sharing the joys and challenges of motherhood. I'm excited to embark on this journey finally, with you offering relatable, informative, and educative content that we can all enjoy and learn from. Your support means the world to me, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and spread the love by sharing my video with as many people as possible. Please stay tuned because there is a lot coming your way. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of this incredible community. Love you all. Bye-bye. Thank you.